Welcome to LitCommerce Academy, your go-to resource for using the LitCommerce app. In this video, I'm going to show you how to list and import products on your Google Merchant Store step by step. There are 3 cases. List products from your store on Google Merchant, import listings into your main store, and link products on channels together. Let's start with our first case. List products from your main store to Google Merchant. Go to the All Products section and choose the products you want to list on Google Merchant. Now hit Select Action. Then list products to channels. As a window pops up asking which channel you want to list on, choose Google Merchant and click Add as a draft now. To list faster, you can use a default listing template. This helps if you have to list in bulk, especially if the sales channel has specific listing requirements. Your listings now come as drafts and aren't live on Google Merchant yet. You can edit them before publishing in LitCommerce single edit mode and fill in product details like titles, descriptions, images, categories, and shipping information. Once you've filled in all crucial information, you can simply save those changes or save and publish your listings to Google Merchant right away. Let's move on with our next case. Import listings from Google Merchant and list them on your main store. Go to your Google Merchant store and click on Import from Google Shopping. Here you will choose among several options like auto-link products, re-import deleted products, or filter products to import. Once you've decided what kind of products to import, click Begin Import and wait for our system to run your listings. When your imported listings are ready, choose any listings from Google Merchant you want to publish to your main store. Hover to Select Action. Click Create on Main Store. Now you may go to the All Products tab and check that your listings have shown up in the main store. Here we are, going straight to the last case. You want to link the same products on different channels. Now pay attention to the little dot above each linking icon of your listings. The blue dot means your listings are linked, the red one means opposite. To connect the unlinked listings, click the linking icon with a red dot, then choose Link to a product and hit Select. Our tool will help you find the matching item. Now that you have linked the same products on both channels together, the red icon changed to blue. And that's it. You've learned to list on Google Merchant Store step by step. This is LitCommerce Academy. We'll see you in the next video.